Hi people, Simon is speaking. Today I wanted to show to you how you can do Loft in Blender but by using Loop tools, because you can still use that amazing feature even if you use the latest version of Blender. But by default there aren't any add-ons. You have to enable add-ons, but also keep in mind you also have to copy add-ons to folder. For some reasons, uh, all the add-ons have been removed from Blender version 4.5.0. Version 4.0 still had by default. Alright, I went to around the hard drive to show to you how to sort this out. So I have got add-ons for Blender. All of the add-ons, plugins, you have to copy to one specific folder. Program files, Blender Foundation, Blender 5.0. I don't use version 5.1 beta because it crashes a lot and it isn't stable. It is very unstable. So you go to Blender, folder 5.0, scripts, add-on store, and you copy all of the plugins to that folder. Okay, today I will show to you what I will do. Why this was working so slow? So we will delete face. We will delete only face to work with this add-on successfully. We need if we want Loft tools to work successfully, we need it to be in edge mode. Okay. Why I did this? So you can see edges. I just have to switch to different environment, because I can see. Wait a minute. I just have to change blur strength so you can see edges. Now I can clearly see my edges. Give me a few seconds wireframe and grid. I want to resize grid. I would like to save this scene just in case. Loft tools, Loft. In the past, I published video tutorial how to do Loft in Blender in different way. Shift S, cursor to selected. And I think what I want to do, because we only have 4 edges, you can copy polygon edges in vertex mode or in polygon mode. I would like to subdivide. The reason is because I think we need a proper number of polygon edges. I just want a profile shape to look nice. Shift D. Shift D. Okay. What I was thinking to do is soft selection, so we can do some modifications towards this. But I think I don't know if I should copy this by proper order, Shift D. I think it doesn't matter, but we have to double check. Now if you select like that, segments, now we generated some segments, linear or cubic, twist. Oh, okay, because I had this option on, let's check if I can bridge polygons like that. Left. Oh, this works perfect. You can still loft objects, but because we copied polygon in a different way, I just have to double check if this works. Oh, this works really beautifully. Oh, I didn't expect to see such good result. Let's copy this. Shift D. I'm glad that I was able to do some interesting things within Blender. No, what I'm doing. Because I don't know if a loft will work if I change number of edges. For example, I want to subdivide it. That is, I don't know what result. I don't know if this will be working okay. Oh, it is still working, people. It is still working. I couldn't believe with my own eyes. It is still working wonderfully. I'm very happy to see. Loft? Wow, this is crazy. But on the other hand, now because we moved the, this is because we moved this little bit. This should be slightly lower. Those points should be moved a little bit below. I think in orthographic viewport you can clearly see there's also option that you can resize vertices in Blender. Themes, 3D viewport. They seem to be too big, but you can see, I think I will have to leave as it is so you can clearly see vertices. I don't like that color of the vertices. Oh no, it looks perfect. Like in other 3D programs. So now we have very big vertices. Okay, I will change theme. 3ds Max 2025. Oh, okay. The wrong thing I done because...
A zostawiłeś dla mnie filmy?
Sorry, I wanted to get back to you. Somebody from my family has interrupted my video tutorial. But that's fine, I can still carry on. Let's check if I can subdivide this. I just wanted to check what shape I will get if I modify this polygon. Up to 2 times. You can see the difference between that shape and that shape. Shift D. Shift D. Now I'm very interested in what the result will be like. I didn't realize how powerful Loft tool is. Loft? It isn't perfect. I think that tool works okay. Loft. I just wanted to check some settings. Cubic. Oh, we also have option segments. Oh, this could be useful. It is not too bad, but you can see. Okay, Loft. Actually, it gives. Oh, this one. This is nice as well. I completely forgotten. Tension. Oh, because we added some additional segments. So so also because of this, tension works. You can still extrude very interesting shapes. I wonder what type of shape I will get. Okay. I just wanted to copy edges. Shift D. What type of shape I will get if I modify this shape once again. Oh, I'm very curious about that. Because that shape, now it looks more solid. I never done it that way when it comes to Loft. Oh, amazing. I'm very happy. Wow, this works really well. Oh, I'm very happy that it is possible to do that in Blender. Because in the past, I showed it to you, there's also different method which you can use, but you will need to select shapes. But I just wanted to only talk about option Loft Tools Loft. Maybe I will copy once again the same shape. But make sure you copy Edge, Shift D. I would like to modify little bit to check what results will be like, what the results will be like. Look, oh, this will look like screwdriver. Something is not exactly what I wanted. This is because we don't have the same number of edges. I must add more vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it will be vector shape. You can see this is why it is important to add proper number of vertices. It isn't perfect, but you can still weld and fix manually using tool options, auto merge, threshold, and snapping tool, vertex, center. Ah, oh, little square comes up. It means it will get our points. I like this feature very much, but I'm very happy with the results of the Lofted polygon. But we have to deselect this and this. And don't forget to deselect auto merge when you finish modeling. Okay, we will use option revert. I wonder how beautiful shape will be if we use one of the polygons, one of the modifiers, normals. I like this modifier. No, actually, this doesn't work well. I will use... No, that one was working okay, but for polygons which had textures, shade auto smooth. I hope that's it. I hope you liked this video tutorial.